Hi, this is Dave with Dave's TR4A. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I just wanted to do just a quick video to show the culmination of my development effort on my solid-state overdrive control. This is the final case now with the printed graphics on the front cover, top cover. This is all done by my good friend up in Canada, Dave Wilson. Did a super job on graphics, and here's the slot that's machined in the case for the wires to come up through into the terminal block. I've done one small change too to the circuit board. You can see it's kind of shiny. That's a protective environmental coating that I can spray on the circuit board that basically seals it from, or gives it protection from moisture, since it's going to be in an automotive environment. So I also have another thing I decided to sell with the control, and that's a complete wire kit. So each wire is labeled with its function, and in the instructions it tells you, get wire 1 out of the bag, here's what it looks like, and it goes from here to here. So here's an example of a typical wire kit. This one has a green LED in it. This is going to be for a J-type. I also make one for an A-type. So each wire is specifically terminated to go into the existing wire harness. Here, I'll show you here. Let's open this up and I'll show you. So if you open this up, each kit will come with a kit contents that'll show the wire. W denotes the wire, and then the numbers, which step in the process you're going to pull the wire out. So we'll find this W1 wire, which is the plus battery wire. It's a white wire with a female spade connector on one end. So let's look for that. Okay, so here's our white wire with the female spade connector on it. And you'll note that I use terminals that have heat shrink terminations on them. So once they're crimped, I shrink the sleeving around the connector so it's, hermetically sealed. Not that this end's going to, it's obviously not. But each wire is like that, so all you do is just go down the list in instructions, find the next wire in the kit, and the end that goes into the existing wire harness in the car will already be terminated with the correct terminal, whether it's a spade lug like this, or if it's a bullet connector, or here's a ground wire. It's got a ring lug on it, so this is the W2 wire. This is the ground for the controller. So anyway, it's pretty straightforward. And then also, this is the indicator lamp that tell you when the overdrive is turned on. Panel mount LED. This is a green one. I do have other colors, but right now I have mostly green. So if you want one, I'd appreciate it if you get one to go with a green light. And then the other end, I don't know if you can see it, is there's a plug about a foot back from the actual LED indicator. So if, say, you mount this in the dash support and for some reason, God forbid, you got to take the dash support out, you can just break the connection here at this connector, and it's polarized, so it'll only go on one way. So anyway, that's it for the wiring harness, and that's included with the controller now, along, as I said, with an LED. And the wires are all using standard Triumph color codes, so it should be kind of a seamless fit. That's what I'm saying here is it's ready for sale. So if you're interested, you can send me an email, and I'll put the contact information in the description on this video. And I'm going to be bringing some of these to the 6-pack trials. So if you want to see one, if you go there, I'll have one you can hold in your hand and whatever. And also be bringing some of my solid-state rebuilt voltage stabilizers too. So hope to see you at the trials, and it's only 2 weeks away. Can't wait to get there and do the tail the dragon. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. One final thought I just had is, if you're curious about the scope of change to see if this is something that you'd want to tackle, I'd be happy to send you a PDF copy of either the A-type or the J-type installation manual, which explains the wire kit, how it all hooks into the existing system, and just what's involved. So and what the wire kit looks like, as I said. So anyway, if you're interested in that, just shoot me an email. I'll have that again in the description on this video, and I'll get one out to you. So thanks a lot. Like and subscribe.